Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with another entry into my Red Birthday Challenge. And I'm mad at my postmaster because the guy came ripped open. So he had several packages in there, and I can see this, looks like it's torn, but it's not any fault of her own. This is from Jessica. So I just want to apologize on behalf of my postmaster, who doesn't seem to care, which they will be getting a call from me because all of the packages that I had in there were ripped. I don't know what's going on because I've never had any problems with them before. So I don't know if it's somebody new who doesn't care, because if it doesn't fit in the box, then you're supposed to put a key in it to go to the extra box where the overflow is at. I mean, he just was determined to get everything in there, and he ripped it, of course. So that just makes me so mad, because it's like, you're that lazy. I mean, seriously. And I mean, he tore up the other packages. It's just, tacky. But Jessica, thank you so much for participating. So sorry about that. So first, this is the beautiful card you made, and unfortunately, like I said, he ripped it, but it's still beautiful. I love this stiletto, and this is very pretty. It's got happy birthday up here. Nice cut card. I love that. It says, click your heels and make a wish because it's your birthday. I like that. Got the balloons right here in glitter paper. So the shoes in glittered red. Beautiful. Very pretty. And she's got a stamped on the back, handmade by Jessica from Creator, designed by Jessica. And you can find her here on the YT by that channel. And then she also sends along a beautiful, look at that, pretty memory dex card to go along with it. So she packages nicely with a nice rose right here. She got some red bling. You got some gold metallic paper in the background. So let's open it up. I just cannot believe, like, people, I mean, like, they're not even on furlough, so I don't know why, like, he would just jam the mail in there like that. That just makes me so mad. But it's still beautiful, and I will cherish it. It says, be a stiletto in a closet full of flats. Haha. Yes, ma'am. So this is the memory dex card that she made for me. Love it, love it. I love the shape of it. It's so unique. Thank you so much. And on the back, Jessica has put information. So she's a Jersey girl. So she's a summer baby. Her favorite color is purple, just like my sister's. Okay, you love butterflies and bubbles. No favorite style, but you like anything pretty, girly, and happy. I like that too. So thank you, Miss Jersey Girl. So thank you so much, and I'll put her link to her channel, to her information below. So you guys, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And the Red Birthday Challenge ends on the 31st. So I do have, like, I think 2 more videos I'm putting up. But if you have a package that was sent, please DM me to make sure. Because I'm doing each one video a day, so because I'm not gonna do the drawing until like the 8th, I think it is, when I'll be back in town. But anyway, so just make sure that I'm aware, so I can check to make sure it's there. Because if not, I'm not gonna go back and check, because I haven't had anybody. Yeah, I know of another one, excuse me, that I know hasn't arrived. But if your package, just check on it with me. Please DM me on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, to make sure, or email me. My email is listed in the box below, to let me know, or to check on your status if you haven't seen your video, so I can let you know if it's coming or I haven't received it, because apparently my postmaster doesn't care. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.